Good afternoon, Ralph K. DVC Signs here, spotlighting another one of our graphic jobs. We just did the graphics for this new van for Bryant Heating and Cooling for my friend Dennis Bryant and his crew over there. We designed, this is our second one we've done. We designed this, my creative director did. We came up with the logo, everything for them, and they are growing, so this is the second one. And just really looks great. We love doing this kind of stuff. It's creative, it's effective, and it helps our clients make more money. Ralph K. DVC Signs, give us a call if we can help you out.